your own personal style.
It's lost in India. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And I got an invite to Myntra's Creators Fest, which is like an exclusive Creators Fest, and only like selected creators are invited. Today is like a packing day for me. I'll be leaving tomorrow morning, so I will try to vlog stuff. I don't know if I'll be able to vlog पूरा की नहीं. Also in the morning I received this Myntra package जो मैंने order किया था, and winter wear का collection थोड़ा सा था जो मैंने अभी लिया है. Really cute winter wear pieces that I've got, like kind of sweater pullover style का ये है, and this is the one from Dressberry. Can you just look at it? It's like a very oversized sort of a style, like एकदम drooping shoulder है and long sleeves है, and it's like a proper knitted material that you can see over here. Skinny jeans with this one, and like high rise boots and all of that with this one, only for 569 rupees, which was a crazy deal on this one. By the way, this one that I'm wearing right now is also available on Myntra, which is from the Urbanic section. Super cute. Again, a very ripped sort of material that you have over here. और मैंने मंगवाया है. This is super duper interesting. So पुणे में इतनी ज़्यादा ठंड नहीं है, so for that तो this one is perfect because this is not like a woolen material. This is more like a thick cotton material from Roadster, and this is in this really cute mauve color. Here you also have a typography print over here. This is like a drop shoulder sleeve, and this sleeve has like this ruched sort of pattern all over here with this cuffing over here with this knitted style cuffing. Perfect. There's like an elastic sort of thingy inside it. Again, this one is in the size medium, which is absolutely true to size, so definitely go for your own size. And also you guys, I was thinking about cold creams in the winter, and you know how you apply cold creams and apply करने के बाद एकदम sweat हो जाते हैं hands. I just hate that. And actually Mamaearth का एक cold cream है जो कि बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा आपको, and it is in the combination of honey and malai. Honey malai nourishing cold cream. It has ingredients of honey that is a potent humectant, and it soothes the dry skin, it seals the moisture into your skin, and also has malai that is intensely nourishing, and it adds a healthy glow to your skin. It also boosts your skin's elasticity, making it look more youthful and glowing. It's also meat safe certified. That means it has no toxins at all, and also Mamaearth products are plastic positive, and every time you purchase from Mamaearth, they link your order to a tree that they plant, and they have an initiative to plant 1 million trees by the end of 2025. Also, Mamaearth official app is there as well, and Mamaearth products are available offline as well. You can also get 20% off if you use my code Tanisha 2022. Available on Amazon, on Flipkart, on Purple, on Nykaa. All of the links I'm gonna give down below in the description box. So I'm having a huge टाइम क्रंच. अभी कल सुबह ही मुझे फटाफट लाइक पैकिंग करके फटाफट निकलना पड़ेगा, ऐसा कोई सिचुएशन होने वाला है. So the very next morning we left for Mumbai at around like 12 or 1 p.m. in the afternoon.
तूने आईडी प्रूफ लाया?
आधार कार्ड
लाया है तूने?
मेरे like buy stuff like that. So
We reached Mumbai in 3 to 4 hours. There was not much traffic. The first thing we did was we went to the Palladium Wall because we were very hungry, and also it was right next to the venue that was St. Regis Mumbai. And yeah, so we went to MacD and we were ordering some food and everything. And this is just me giving you an OOTD of what I was wearing while I was traveling, and then you're going to see a transition now. So this is how my makeup turned out to be in natural lighting. And then we went to the venue, and this is a sneak peek of myself. I was loving my look, I'm telling you. I just freaking loved my entire look. And this was the entry desk where we were getting like our tags and passes to get in, and we needed to register there. Even the decor was like really nice.
hi guys, so we are right here inside this event already. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not because there's too much of crowd and everything. So this is like the registration area इधर पीछे में, and yeah, so this is like a pink theme sort of a situation going on बाहर में. अंदर में you will see everything like my outfit and everything, and also I met so many friends of mine, influencer friends of mine. So yeah, it's going to be so much fun. So let's just get in. I'll just put some snippets beach mein because you know it's very crowded over here and I have to shoot a lot of stuff, so I cannot take a lot of snips both for Insta and YouTube. At my YouTube channel. YouTube channel. Yes. She came all the way from Pondicherry just to attend this. Seriously, bro?
Forward every single day on social media. So to get this ball rolling, give yourselves a round of applause and give each one of you here a round of Abhinav, Asmita, Samitha, Akash, Akash Bahudra. And my favorite, Kusha Kapila.
Get it right. I think the more you normalize it, the closer you will reach the formula or the template. So जब मैंने शुरुआत की थी, I heavily relied upon relatability.
Your own personal style, it was rooted vintage, so I love that.
Panel of 5 top influencers, and then the VIPs were these 3 leads from FOMO shots, and obviously the best thing was Ritviz. Yes, Ritviz were there playing for us privately, like right in front of us. It was the best part.
यहाँ पे सब कोई जो भी रील बनाते हैं, ठीक है?
I'm telling you, this was the most surreal experience, and the music was crazy. And if you know me, I just love loud music, and Ritviz did the exact job. It was just perfect.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, what's your name? Tanisha. I love Tanisha. I love them. Hi guys. Finally met her. Yeah, it was awesome.
And it's a nice
It's my first event, yeah.
Really, honestly, I don't come for events a lot. So
I know,
honestly,
I
this is
know.
my first event.
I do posting on YouTube about events and
I
all
don't
that.
go for a lot of events because I. Anyways, this is my first.
Let
one,
that
yeah.
be to
But
her.
yeah.
So nice to meet you.
I YouTube, Alfia, yaar.
Like I feel like I'm meeting OG YouTubers over here.
Hi guys.
Hi. Like maximum of them are like Instagrammers mostly.
Yeah.
And when I saw you guys, I was like, apna fun over here.
That's so cute.
This is my first event, so I'm like kind of starstruck.
How is it?
I am starstruck. I feel like I'm looking at everybody's feed at once.
Oh yeah. Yeah, true.
As a
Chance to meet Komal Pandey, Dolly Singh. Her energy was really nice, and also Kusha Kapila. How can we forget her?
वाला फटाक से कर देना
तो देख लेगा.
सीरियसली ब्रो पुणे में मिलने का प्लान बनाना पड़ेगा वी शुड आल्सो हैव अ स्क्वाड ठीक है
Yes.
ये मुंबईकर्स को हम लोगों को बताना पड़ेगा हाय गाइस हुमा नूपुर श्रेया वी ऑल वर टुगेदर थ्रू आउट द टाइम बट अब भी आए ये लोग मेरे वीडियो में anyway.
Yes, and we are very tired.
सब इंस्टा हैंडल्स बोलो जल्दी प्रमोशन कर दो
Wrap my hijab. Nupur Munot. Shreya.
एंड मुझे अगर अब तक सब्सक्राइब या फिर फॉलो नहीं किया है तो ये देखने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं है
Are you gonna walk?
क्या बोल रही है तू so, बहुत सही सही लोग आए थे कोमल वॉज लुकिंग हॉट एज हेल लाइक लिजिट हॉट एज हेल
Dolly so funny.
या डॉली सो फनी एंड नगमा इज डैम प्रिटी एंड ऋत्विज ऑब्वियसली कैसे भूल सकते हैं ये वो ऋत्विज नकली था ऐसे कैसे हो सकते हैं So it's already 10 o'clock and we are about to leave. लाइटिंग भी बंद करने की कोशिश कर रही है नहीं दैट वाज जस्ट अ इंडिकेशन कि हाँ निकलो हो गया बहुत हो गया खत्म हो
उसका
गया
डीपी देखा मैंने. हाँ वो सच थी.
अच्छा ऋत्विज असली था गाइस ऑब्वियसली ब्रो इतना रिस्क कौन लेगा तुझे नहीं चाहिए क्या
उसने वीडियो शुरू नहीं किया था गाइस और अभी तक इतनी बकवास कर रही थी.
मुझे लगा सब कुछ आ रहा है दिस इज अ साइन आई नीड अ असिस्टेंट अच्छा हमने मैगी खाया अभी तक गिर जाता
हेलो गाइस, मैं बहुत बुरी हूँ ब्लॉगिंग करने में. बहुत ज़्यादा. सब पे कटिया. ये महारानी इतना लेट आई है कि मैं क्या बताऊँ. आई मीन वेटिंग फॉर लाइक हाफ एन आवर. मैंने 12:45 बोला था तब तक आना चाहिए था. देखो
1:15 का अनाउंसमेंट किया गया था ग्रुप में सब गोटी बैग जिसमें मैंगो एंड H&M एंड कुछ है और उसने पानी का बोतल अपने मन से डाल लिया है और श्रेया ने ये गोटी बैग छीन लिया है उनसे उन्होंने दिया नहीं था It's all over.
तूने खोला.
It's all over. हाँ.
You're still vlogging and in
Yes.
in your video I can see it from the.
स्टार्टिंग में मैंने ब्लॉग किया ही नहीं हर जगह गाने बज रहे थे कॉपीराइट क्लेम आ जाता है यूट्यूब में Nupur is out. Everybody is out. ये लोग सोच रहे हैं कि लोग पीछे चार कैसे बैठे हैं क्योंकि मैं बैठी ही नहीं हूँ, मैं आधी बार हूँ. This is the girl who left कतार का फीफा छोड़ के इधर आई है मिंत्रा के स्टूडियो का काम करने के लिए, इवेंट के लिए. ये डेडिकेशन चाहिए. Hi you guys, I'm officially back to Pune and what an event, what an experience. I just came back to Pune last night only to show you guys what I actually got. They have actually sent us a very goodie bag. इसमें है ये स्लिंग बैग दैट दे हैव गिवन. इट्स लाइक अ ब्लैक कलर पाउच विद दिस गोल्डन डिटेलिंग. काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छी है. ये वाला मैंने एक्चुअली मैंगो में देखा था, मुझे याद है, लेकिन उस टाइम आई वाज लाइक कि मेरे पास इतने सारे ब्लैक बैग्स हैं, लाइक कितने ब्लैक बैग्स एम आई गोइंग टू बाई, तो मैंने लिया नहीं था. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दिस वन इज द स्ट्रैप्स. एक्चुअली दे हैव रियली थिक स्ट्रैप्स, तो ये स्टाइलिंग करने वक्त इतना ज़्यादा स्मार्ट लगेगा ना. दे हैव गिवन अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स एंड दिस इज फ्रॉम द ब्रांड कॉल्ड अराटा. आई विल रिव्यू यू गाइज दीज प्रोडक्ट्स एंड I'll show you if they are like really good. I'll also talk about it in my videos, don't worry. And it's not sponsored, again I'm telling you it's not sponsored, but I'm just making it so that I can show you guys actually what goes on in an influencer event. And yeah, we met a lot of people, we make a lot of content over there as well. जितने भी नए influencers से मैं मिली थी, मैंने सबके साथ videos भी बनाए हैं. बहुत सारे पुणे के creators भी मुझे मिले. मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि पुणे में भी इतने सारे लोग हैं जो Myntra से associated है.
Last but not least, thank you Myntra for this invite to this creators event. That is the end of this video.